The RSI MultiLength indicator, which is available for a variety of different trading platforms on the TradingFinder website, is a useful tool for traders. Traders can easily download the indicator file for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms from this section, and they can also read through this page to learn more about how the indicator works and its overall functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, an oscillator window appears at the bottom of the chart. The RSI MultiLength indicator is an advanced and enhanced version of the RSI indicator, which, based on its calculations, issues overbought and oversold signals for us when the oscillator line enters the overbought and oversold zones. This indicator does not have fixed overbought and oversold levels, and these levels change over time based on its calculations. When the oscillator line enters the overbought zone, sell signals are generated for us, and the more these points increase, the higher the likelihood of a price reversal becomes. Or we can make use of the RSI divergences that are automatically generated for us as clear entry signals for initiating a sell position, and ultimately we can profit from the ongoing downward trend. In another particular section, we can see that the oscillator line has entered the oversold zone. And at this point, the oversold level has changed, and trend reversal signals have been generated, where we can see an RSI divergence has occurred here, and after that, the price has moved upward. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available for us. In the first input, we can specify the maximum calculation length for the RSI indicator. In the next parameter, we can also set the minimum calculation period length for the RSI indicator here. Ultimately, the indicator calculates from the minimum to the maximum period length and finally displays an RSI line for us here. In the next two parameters, we can also specify the overbought and oversold levels here, so that based on its calculations, it determines the overbought and oversold zones for us. In the last input, we can also specify the calculation basis for the RSI indicator. Among the options of close price, open price, high price, low price, median price, typical price, and finally weighted price. This indicator does not repaint and performs its calculations based on closed market candles. For example, here we can clearly see that the very last candle is not included in the calculations, and the indicator patiently waits for this candle to fully close. Finally, after it closes, the indicator incorporates the new data from this candle into the RSI calculations. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.